Hello everyone, welcome to Kris Academy. Learn English like a pro, day 1. Let's see how to use above and over in our day-to-day conversations. Okay, so both above and over means higher than. So there are 5 key points you have to remember before using above and over in your sentences. Let's check them. First, let us learn what above means when one thing is not directly over another. Here you see a pictorial representation. Here A is above B. So A is above B. A real-time example is the sun rose above the horizon. So the sun is rising above the horizon. Okay. So next point is, what does over mean? When one thing covers another. Here you see B is covered with A. So A is over B. Here is an example. There is a cloud over the south of England. So the cloud is over the south of England. Okay. The third key point is, we can also use over when one thing crosses another. Here you see that A is a moving object whereas B is stationary. Here is a real-time example to understand this concept. The plane was flying over the channel. So the channel is stationary and the plane is a moving object. You can replace over with across also. Let's reframe this sentence. The plane was flying across the channel. Next key point is, over also means more than. So in the first point we have seen that over means higher than. It also means more than. So both are more or less similar. So let's see an example. How old are you? Over 30. You ask anyone when you're asking their age, you can mean like this also. How old are you? Over 30. So are you more than 30? You mean whether the person, he or she, is more than 30. Okay. So the next point is, we can use above when we are thinking of a vertical scale. Okay. Here you would have seen some sentences like above zero, above the sea level, above average. So these 5 key points are very important when you are using above and over in your day-to-day conversations. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to Kris Academy and do not forget to press the like button, share and subscribe to your friends and family. Thank you.